Come on, now with my camera.
Whoa! Holy Toledo, dude! Oh, hold on, I can put it. If I put it on sports mode, probably won't make any bastard difference.
Watch it will stop now.
Good.
Damn it. Give me more thunder!
Say that again, Derron. Use a Stone Cold shout.
You're an asshole.
Derron, look at this.
This is what we call a pot.
Oh my god, have you seen the size of the hailstones?
It's gonna be like ice fingers walking out. God damn you. What's your nose?
No thunder. Jesus Christ.
Wales.
Down the door!
That was
We have to walk through that, Shauna. Well, you can walk to breeze. I'm not doing the double distance and walking to breeze and then yours. No, mine even. Yeah, just come back in if you want to.
Mum, is your window closed? Because all you can
Yes.
hear is knocking.
Well, it's a hailstone, Shauna.
I know.
Wow. Clever.
This is so rare.
It's Whalestone, it's never rare.
No, it's rare for like this.
Okay.
If only it snowed this hard, we'd have a beautiful Christmas.
If it snowed this hard.
Oh my, yeah, look at the overflow of the pipe there.
Oh, come on, my arm's aching.
Yeah, look at that.
Blood.
If it floods, then drowning, obviously, because
There.
the shortest. Bye bye, guys.
See ya, Jack. It's,
Have a good
it's
night.
nice knowing you. GG.
Nice knowing you.
End game.
I don't end the game yet. I'm still alive. I'm not rage quitting. I will fight.
Watch, as soon as I press the stop button, it'll just. I'm gonna press the stop button, Storm. I've pressed it.
Watch it bang.
I haven't pressed it.
I think it works better if you put it outside. Wait, what about the aerial? Oh great, my bedroom has a massive